In this video, I'm going to show you how you can exchange your crypto at low fees with KuCoin. And this is going to be a beginner's guide, so I'm going to show you how to deposit your crypto, buy or sell, the different order types and fees, and finally, how to withdraw from KuCoin. And for more information on KuCoin, please check out everybithelps.co.uk. KuCoin is a cryptocurrency trading platform based in Hong Kong, which launched in 2017. The platform has over 300 trading pairs, and you can buy and sell the likes of Bitcoin, Ethereum, stablecoins and DeFi tokens, plus their own KCS token. Although we'll be focusing on spot trading today, there are several different trading options available to suit different trading levels, and that includes the spot trading, instant exchanges and margin trading. Plus, you can also earn crypto with KuCoin's crypto lending, staking, soft staking, and KuCoin Shares KCS bonus, which is KuCoin's own exchange token and provides holders with trading discounts and daily crypto dividends. And KuCoin Exchange also have an app for iOS and Android too, for trading on the go. Now, one thing to mention, and for complete transparency, KuCoin was actually hacked in September 2020, with $281 million being stolen by hackers who obtained the private keys to the decentralized exchange's hot wallets. However, their CEO, Johnny Lin, quickly promised that funds would be covered completely by an insurance fund. And I believe that the majority of the stolen crypto has now been recovered. Now, if you're a subscriber of my channel, you'll know that I don't actually advise keeping your crypto on an exchange and to store your crypto in a hardware wallet such as the likes of a Ledger or a Trezor when you're not trading. And this is so that you're in control of your crypto and so that your crypto is kept offline and away from any potential harm. And once you're signed up, which I have a link for in the summary below, make sure that you implement two-factor authentication as an extra level of security, as this will help to secure your account, and you can do this all under your account security. So let's jump into it. And once you've signed up or logged in, the first thing you're going to want to do is deposit to get started. You'll notice that from the Assets Overview screen, there are a few different options that you have in terms of accounts that you can transfer, lend or deposit from. The main account is used for cryptocurrency deposits and withdrawals, fiat-to-fiat cryptocurrency purchases via credit card, and margin lendings. The trading account is for the cryptocurrency transactions. And the Pool X account is for staking and mining for annual yields up to 20%. So let's go ahead and deposit now. And KuCoin is a crypto-to-crypto trading platform, so therefore you can't deposit the likes of fiat, like US dollars or GBP, and buy the likes of Bitcoin or Ethereum, as you'll need some crypto to get started. Now, if you don't already have any crypto to deposit, you can buy some from the top here. However, I wouldn't personally recommend this method, as it won't be the cheapest way for you to buy your crypto, as you're going to be paying higher fees for the convenience. So you may be better off using a crypto exchange with fiat markets, such as the likes of Coinbase Pro or the blockchain exchange, for example. However, I've already got some Bitcoin over in a hardware wallet that I'd like to trade with, so I'm going to go ahead and deposit that now. And I'm going to be depositing this into my main account. Just be aware though that if you have deposited into your account previously, that the addresses have changed, and you're going to need to ensure that you use the one that's provided on screen. Also, just make sure that you are sending the correct type of crypto to the address. If you send the likes of Ethereum to a Bitcoin address, for example, by mistake, you could risk losing all of your funds. And deposits are free with KuCoin, so you won't be charged here, but there are withdrawal fees charged later, which I'm going to take you through at the end of the tutorial. So in here, you're going to want to copy the address or scan the QR code and send the funds across. And once that deposit is completed, it will then show in your deposit history. But because we're token trading, we need to transfer our funds from the main account to the trading account. So I'm going to click on to transfer. And just make sure that the direction is correct in here and the coin. Then you need to select the amount or select all and confirm. And that's successful and appearing in my trading account. So let's take a look at markets now and see what we can actually trade. So you have the likes of your US dollar stablecoin market, You have Bitcoin markets, KCS, which is their own token. There's Alts market, DeFi, NFT and Polkadot, as well as a spot index. However, I've got Bitcoin and I'm going to exchange this for a stablecoin, which is going to be USDC. And the first thing I'm going to show you is that before I can actually buy or sell in the bottom right hand side of my screen here, you'll see that I need to use my two-factor authentication, which is pretty good as it gives me that extra level of security too. And once you enter in that information, you can then go ahead and buy and sell. But let's take a look around the trading screen first. So up here we have our market, and if I just click onto the eye icon here, it then provides me with a little bit of information with regards to the market cap, supply, and information about this asset. There's then the last price, the 24-hour high, low, and amount, etc. You can change the mode from light to dark. Then you have your trade charts by TradingView, where you can view trades over specific periods of time. You have your order book with sells on top and red, and green buys at the bottom. And you have your recent trades on the right. Then over here on the left-hand side at the bottom, you have your assets overview. And this is the balance of your main account, your trading account, and the margin account. Then you have your main account and your trading account, which is showing the balance that we transferred from our main account earlier. If you have any open orders, they'll appear at the bottom here, and I'm going to show you that in a moment. Then, as I said earlier, we've got our buy and our sell section for placing your buy and sell orders, plus access to the spot or futures. But as I said, we're going to be looking at spot trading today. But if you'd like me to cover margin or futures, then let me know in the comments below. And there are 4 different order types that you can make with KuCoin, which are limit, market, stop limit, and stop market orders. Now, depending on your trading value, or if you're holding their own KCS token, the type of order you choose may dictate the trading fee that you're going to be paying. So let's take a look at those fees now. Now, I'm not personally a day trader. I buy my crypto and I hold it for the long term. Therefore, you'll see that my trading level fee is at LV0, meaning that I'm going to be paying 0.01 for maker or taker type orders. And then these start to reduce when trading for more than 50 Bitcoin within 30 days. And maker and taker orders do come up a lot when you're using exchanges, so I'm going to quickly explain the difference. If I place an order at the current market value and is therefore completed immediately, I'm deemed as a taker of the market as I'm taking the current market price. However, if I would become a maker of the market and define a new price that is not immediately matched by an order on the order book, then I could potentially pay less fees. So let's head back to the trading screen. So a taker is a market order, which is the first type of order that I'm going to show you. And these are for those that are wanting to buy or sell immediately at the current market price. Now I've got some Bitcoin and I'd like to exchange it or sell it for USDC. So I need to be over on the sell side here. And I can type in the amount of Bitcoin that I'd like to sell, or I can choose 25, 50, 75 or 100% of my balance. And if you choose to sell BTC, your order will go through immediately at the current market price and show under your completed orders. But what if you're not in too much of a rush and you want to get a better price for your Bitcoin? Well, instead, you can actually dictate the price that you'd like to sell at and potentially get a better deal than what the market is currently dictating. In this way, you place your order and simply wait for the market to reach your price. So in here, I'm going to state that I want to sell my Bitcoin for USDC when the price reaches 19,400. And I'd like to exchange all of my Bitcoin, which is about $100. And you can manually enter the amounts into here, but you can also hover over some of the amounts at the top here in the order book and use those, which can sometimes come in handy and save you making any mistakes with the price. And when you're happy, you can go ahead and sell your Bitcoin. And once you've placed an order, you can also cancel that at any time whilst it's open. So if, for example, the market changes dramatically in the wrong direction, or if you've made a mistake, you can just try again. And this can only be done with limit orders, as market orders are obviously completed immediately. And you'll also see my order on the order book here too. So whilst we wait for that to go through, there are also 2 more order types, which are stop limit or stop market. A stop market order is where a market order is placed once the market reaches a certain price that you dictate. Whereas a stop limit order will place a limit order instead when the price reaches the price that you dictate again. And these can be used to help to protect losses in some cases, and so that you don't have to constantly watch the market. Now, because it was taking quite a long time to go through, for the purposes of this tutorial, I've actually just cancelled my open order and retried at 19,325. Your balance will then show with the asset that you've traded for. And as I mentioned right at the very start, the best security practices state that you shouldn't keep your crypto on an exchange with lots of assets on it, as they're far more likely a target for hackers. In fact, as soon as I'm finished trading, I usually move my crypto across to a secure hardware wallet like a Ledger or a Trezor, and I'll pop links to those in the summary below. So how do we withdraw from KuCoin? So under our trading account, we need to transfer our funds from the trading account across to our main account, which you can do by clicking onto Transfer. And again, you'll need to ensure that the direction is correct, as well as the coin, and enter in the amount. When you're happy with all of that, you can confirm. Then search for the token, and then click onto Withdraw. And from here, you can select the type of crypto that you're withdrawing. It'll let you know the amount that's available for withdrawal, and you can enter the wallet address into here that you're going to be sending your funds to. Just make sure though that it's the correct type of address and that the wallet actually supports the crypto you're sending across to it. Then you can select the amount, put in some notes in here, and it'll show you the relevant withdrawal fees. So these withdrawal fees are on a crypto-to-crypto basis. But as you can see from my stablecoin here, it's only 3 USDC. And that's not too bad. But for the likes of Bitcoin, this is 0.005 Bitcoin, which works out to be about $9 at the moment. And when you're happy, you can go ahead and confirm your withdrawal. So that's how you can trade with KuCoin. And I hope you enjoyed this video today. And if you did, then please give me a like, hit the subscribe button, and please do head over to my website at everybithelps.co.uk for more tips, reviews, and step-by-step guides. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.